episode, my Minecraft like crashed. There, oh my god, no, like literally crashed, and I found two more diamond when I was recording. Yeah. So in this episode, I got this. I did. It's better. Look how better it is. Oh my god, now it doesn't have any lags. Oh my god. Yay. Now, hopefully it will not crash. Hopefully. How's the clouds? Good. But let's do it. Okay, let's keep like this. Do these, and do these. Okay. And they're probably mad at me. I know. It's not because of me. It's because of it's because of recording. Yeah. I told you why. Told you. Let's hope we have 45. 35 full, yeah. Good. So I was talking how to make this fish pool last episode. So now I got to fish and do shit. So first of all, you'll need to take 7 glass. Then you need sorry because of that sound. Sorry. My camera's going crazy. If you can hear them and have fun, like puppy ducking by hearing them. Here you go. That'll be awesome. Oh, nope. Nope. There's nothing. Isn't that cool? I'm tired by taking cool. Oh my god! Ow! Oh my god! Why am I just? I was like just walking to this. I'm crazy. I'm just walking to the lava like crazy. And yeah, I changed my skin. I said that. I mentioned that last episode too, which is not gonna exist because it got, I don't want to talk about it. Oh my god, no, zombies. Shh. Okay. Oh, rat. Okay, I'm done. No, wait. What the fuck was that? I didn't even hit him and he just jumped right inside the lava. What the heck? That's the idiotic rat I ever saw. Like, seriously, he's an idiot. Oh, what the? Oh, it's scared me. Hello. Oh my god, what are you doing? How you doing, bitches? I think you're out of time. Oh no, we just started. Oh my god, I got confused because I only can do 10 minutes. I only can do 10 minutes, and you're saying my voice is crappy because I have crappy microphones, so don't worry, I'm gonna buy the Razer ones when I go to England. You're asking, where are you? In England? Where are you? Don't you get it in America? Well, I don't live in America. I wish I could, but I don't. Well, I don't live in America. I live in Jerusalem. And that place is yeah. And you're saying I'm a terrorist. No, I'm not terrorist. Christian. Christian Armenian. Dash Arab. Yeah, but my mom is, but more I'm Armenian, yeah. I'm more Armenian. this, oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this, oh yeah. Look at this, oh yeah. Look at this, oh yeah. I did it. I actually did it. I'll do these. I have like, I thought I had, oh my god, you scared me. You bastard from the bastard family. Yeah. I showed who's the man. Showed him who's the man. Showed him who's man. I showed him who's man. I showed him who's man. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, if you're, I want to explain why I keep on checking that, because I'll need only 10 minutes. I can do more. If you want more, you need to subscribe and like, and yeah, and like the video and do all kinds of shit. Yeah, nothing else. Whoop. I like this one. Wow. That song is bad luck. Don't ever sing that when you play Minecraft. Don't ever sing that when you play Minecraft. Warning you. Fucking warning you. Never, ever play Minecraft while you're recording. Yay. How you doing, monster? Look at that. Bony head zombie. Rotten smell zombie guy. Look at him. You're asking how the heck aren't you mad? Well, you should have seen my face. I wasn't mad. Like how do you kiss? But not kissing. Like make it your mouth fatter. I don't know how to explain that, but it was like that. So yeah, oh my god, why am I playing this? Fuck you two double skeleton bros. I call him Mr. Dr. Skeleton. I like calling him that. I like it. I like it so bad. I like it. Oh. I'm gonna die again. And yeah. That sucks. You're lucky. Oh my god. Someone's gonna be screaming that. What the fuck? You missed lapis lazuli right there. There's iron there, and there's some iron there. I know I didn't go that way, so I didn't see it. Don't scream at me. Stop screaming at me. I came this way, then did I go this way? Did I? Did I just went circles. Oh my god. When this happens, I remember where I go and I lose all my shit. Crap. This is not good at all. Ooh, I'm gonna pause this video and I'll come back when I found my shit. So guys, I found my stuff. And as you're just seeing, I have some stuff that disappeared, and I have more stuff. Well, actually, I used up everything. The axe actually got burned in the lava, and the shovel too. And the sword and the pickaxe stayed, and so I used it up to do this. And so, yeah. probably I'm gonna end this video right here. So